In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Arclight camo here on the Peacekeeper Mk1 in Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, go ahead and open up the Peacekeeper's gunsmith section and go up to the very top where it says customize and into the camo section and select the multiplayer tab. From here, you're going to see all of the prerequisite camos you have to go ahead and unlock before getting to Arclight here in Black Ops 7. The basis of this is you just need to get Shattered Gold, which I have a full guide breaking down how you can get Shattered Gold here on the Peacekeeper with full strategy, so I definitely recommend checking that out if you are struggling. That being said, not only are you going to have to get Shattered Gold here on the Peacekeeper, but you're also going to have to get it on 6 other assault rifles here in Black Ops 7. At the time you're making this video, there's only 6 assault rifles here in Black Ops 7, but in the future there may be more, so keep that in mind. You're only going to have to do 6 assault rifles. If there's like 10 assault rifles, you only need to do 6 out of the 10. Keep that in mind, and you will get the Arclight camo here on the Peacekeeper itself. Essentially, once you do have Shattered Gold on 6 of the assault rifles, you just need to come back to the Peacekeeper and get 10 double kills or better with it. And the strategy for this is super duper simple. All you need to do is go ahead and play an objective-based game mode like Hardpoint. I recommend Hardpoint for this, but Domination is pretty good as well. And essentially just sit right outside of the Hardpoint, have an angle into the Hardpoint, and when 2 people rush in, go ahead and kill them both quickly in succession, and you'll get a double kill done. You just need to do this 10 times. You could honestly knock this out in 1 match if you are lucky. 2 matches max, and boom, you got yourself the Arclight on the last launch assault rifle here in Black Ops 7. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.